Hi there, students. A pluviophile, a person. Pluviophillic, an adjective. And I guess even pluviophilia, the quality. So, firstly, I have to admit I am a pluviophile. A pluviophile is somebody who loves the rain. Somebody who finds peace of mind when it's raining. Yeah, somebody who really enjoys rainy days, and that's me. I find the rain really, really relaxing. Okay, so yeah, somebody that loves the rain, somebody who is calm and relaxed on rainy days. I think this word is a neologism. It's one of these new words to be coined. Let's see, the pluvio. Pluvio is from Latin meaning to rain, and philia. A phile is a person who likes. Philia is the liking of something. So a pluviophile. Notice there are also animals that are pluviophiles, and we can use this word pluviophile in biology to talk about creatures or animals or plants that thrive in a rainy environment, in places where it's raining all the time. So, I don't know, for example, mosses are pluviophiles. Pluviophilic plants. Yeah, they really do very well in rainy areas. Okay, so a pluviophile. Somebody that loves rainy days, or something that does well when it's raining. This is definitely me. So, are you a pluviophile? So let's see, what about formality? It's a neologism. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, maybe 5.5. I would say at the end of the day, use it anywhere. I think if you use it in an informal conversation, people are going to understand it. Yeah, so yeah, I would say use it anywhere. This is one of these new words that's come into the language, so use it and it will become more popular with a bit of luck. Yeah, because I definitely define myself as a pluviophile. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pluviophile, that's me.